everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video I will be pouring on a pumpkin and I have a canvas underneath to catch all the runoff, so stick around and check it out. Hey everybody, I hope y'all are having a great day. So I'm just going to jump right into it. I've got my pumpkin. I just put it on a little plastic container. I think it had hummus or something, something like that in there. I do have it on my cake spinner, and I'm just going to start putting the colors in the cup. And all of these colors are mixed with other colors, so I'm going to put all of them in the description. They're all mixed with floetrol and water only, and that's it. There's just each one has multiple colors per, so I figured it'd be easier just to put it in the description for you guys if you're interested. So I am just going to pour it on the pumpkin and turn the turntable as I'm going. And I just want to let you guys know that it's going to be two videos here, because you can see that I do have the canvas underneath the pumpkin to catch all of the runoff, so I will be showing you what I do with the canvas after the pumpkin, so make sure that you watch all the way through. Alright, and if you are new to my channel, I hope that I earn your subscription today. If you already subscribed, I do thank you very much. Alright, so just going to go ahead and let you guys watch this part, and I will be back in a jiff. Alright guys, so I know this part is a little fast. All I'm doing is I'm adding some glitter glue on each where the indentations are on the pumpkin. The colors kind of blended together. There's not a lot of contrast, so I thought adding that glitter glue would really help. So you can see that I didn't go all the way to the top because I am going to add some flowers to the top. So I just took some flowers that I had bought from a craft store. I'm not really sure, one of the craft stores. And I just used my clippers there and cut the top of them off, and actually I think I ended up just ripping them off because I could have just pulled them apart easy. Anyway, so I took the greenery part off, and then there's a plastic piece that you don't need, so you take that part off as well. And then of course I've got my handy dandy trusted glue gun, add a little bit of glue to that, and then I glued that greenery piece back on because I wanted to add a little bit of contrast from the flowers. They're just like they're cute little burlap flowers. I love burlap anyway, so I thought that would be a nice contrast on the top of that. And the greenery adds a little bit as well. So I'm just going to finish gluing the rest of these flowers on, and I am not going to bore you with talking the whole way through. It's kind of self-explanatory, but I can't wait for you guys to see this when it's all done. Alright, so here's the canvas part. Now, the reason I did it the way I did the video was I showed you the pumpkin from start to finish and now the canvas from start to finish. Hopefully you weren't confused because I did this actually immediately after removing the pumpkin. Hopefully you guys, I didn't confuse you with that part. So I added the same colors into the cup that I used on the pumpkin, just added a few more layers of colors, and they're the same ones I used, nothing different. And I just thought I would just do a ring pour and give it a spin. Alright, I've got some more that I'm going to be doing to this canvas, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. Alright, so now it's time to embellish. I loved the painting, but it needed something. So you can see that I already have the outline of a pumpkin on there. I made my own stencil and then I outlined it with a paint marker, a black paint marker. And now what I'm doing is I am taking Mod Podge, I think it's just matte Mod Podge, and I'm using a paintbrush and putting that in there, filling in those lines, and then I am dumping the black glitter glass over top of that. So it's a little tedious, so I kind of skipped a little bit to the end. You can see I've got it done. And then what I did after that was dumped it off of there, and then I used a fan brush and lightly, gently brushed off the rest of the glitter. I did put a coat of spray varnish over top to kind of seal in the glitter, and then I took these really pretty fall colored letters and then I used Mod Podge and glued those on. So now you've got this really pretty fall mixed media piece. I love it. Look at the glitter, it looks so good. And then I have a nice set. The pumpkin and the painting go so cute together. I am so happy with this. I hope you guys love it. Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you in my next video.